We're here with Lorenzo Donadeo. He is the CEO of Vermilion Energy. Lorenzo, thanks so much for being with us today.
Pleased to be here, thank you.
You guys listed on the NYSE. A lot of people wondering, you're already on the Toronto Exchange. Why would you list here?
Well, we listed on the New York Stock Exchange just last week, and the main reason for that was we're looking to expand our shareholder base into the U.S. Right now, globally, you're seeing more investors wanting more sort of sources of low-risk income, and we think we can provide that just with a low interest rate environment. People are chasing income. We run a growth and income model, and we provide about a 4.7% dividend. It's very attractive, a dividend. It's a fairly low-risk dividend because it's a dividend that we've never cut in 10 years, and we've actually grown it twice in the last 5 years. And in addition to that, we provide about a 30% production growth over the next 2 years and about 40% cash flow growth. So on a combined basis between the dividend and the production growth, we're going to provide shareholders with some pretty attractive returns.
So the growth that you're looking for isn't going to be here in the United States necessarily. It's going to be Canada and Europe. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, yeah. We're going to, as I mentioned, we're looking to grow about 30% on production over the next couple years and about 40% on cash flow. A big part of that growth will come from our Cardium oil drilling in Canada, where we've got between 260 and 360 drilling locations. So we've got about 6 or 8 years of drilling inventory there. That's oil. It's pretty attractive economics. In Europe, we've got a new development called the Corrib field in Ireland. And that project is in the middle of development. It'll come on stream in late 2014, early 2015, and it'll bring on about 9,000 BOEs a day of gas, European gas, which currently gets about $10 per thousand cubic foot, which is quite a bit more than what U.S. producers are getting. Right now in the U.S. is about $4, so it's about a $6 premium to that. So those two projects will be big contributors to our 30% production growth and our 40% cash flow growth over the next 2 years.
So in a final question, a lot of people have uncertainties about Europe, specifically because of the recent troubles in Cyprus. Are you guys facing any troubles in Europe for growth prospects because of something like that?
No, we're not. You know, we have a strong syndicate of Canadian banks. You know, Canadian banks are some of the strongest in the world. And they're very supportive. In fact, we've just increased our bank line with them, and so really don't have a problem there. We've got capital funding from the banks for to drive our growth over the next few years, and we think that it'll be a big part of us providing our 30% production growth over the next few years.
All right, Lorenzo, thanks so much for being with us.
Okay, thank you. It's a pleasure.
I'm Deaux, TheStreet.